Okay, here we have the Buck Rogers Sky Torpedo Robot. It's from a 1930s comic strip. Well, at least I inspired it from that. I did a couple of different robot head options. It's kind of a comic book type robot head one than the tweaky TV robot type one. And basically it walks with a flashing light. And you can see back here you've got the flashing light action. Or you can have the tweaky head body. In the comic strip it's referred to as a TM3071 model. And they send the torpedo up to blast a ship out of the sky that's coming to get them, I guess. And the easiest way for me to put the batteries was just inside a pack right here in the top. I did design it so I could get in there to work on it, so I had the rocket thrusters just screw on. That way I can get into the motor if I had to, or change the flashing LED, or it just made it easier to construct that way. So, prototype, I just have to decide what final colors I think the ship would look good in, and make up another one. And I think there may be a version 2 that resembles the comic strip more.